Most BMW buyers are chasing the wrong cars. The models getting attention right now, the ones selling for $25,000, $30,000, $35,000 on used lots, are often the ones that cost their owners the most money over time. Complex engines, expensive electronics, repair bills that show up right after the warranty expires. Meanwhile, there are 5 BMWs that almost nobody is buying. They don't photograph well in listings. They don't have the right badge or the right year. And they are quietly hitting 200,000 miles while newer, more expensive cars are sitting in dealership service bays. Today I'm giving you all 5 specific models, specific engines, specific years, and exactly why each one outlasts cars that cost 3 times as much. Let's get into it. Number 5. The 2001 to 2005 BMW E39 530i. Most people looking for a used BMW walk right past the E39. It's old. It doesn't have a touchscreen. The interior looks like it belongs in a decade-old spy movie. That's exactly why it's on this list. The E39 530i is powered by the M54 inline-6, a naturally aspirated 3.0-liter engine that BMW engineers designed before the obsession with turbocharging everything set in. No turbo means no turbo to replace. No intercooler pipes to crack. No high-pressure fuel system putting stress on injectors at every cold start. The M54 is widely considered one of the most reliable engines BMW has ever produced, and owner reports consistently show examples crossing 200,000 miles without a rebuild when properly maintained. Here's what that means practically. The mechanical foundation of this car is sound. It's the supporting cast that needs attention. The E39's known weak points are its cooling system, specifically the plastic water pump impeller and the thermostat housing, and minor oil seepage from the valve cover gasket and oil filter housing. These are not catastrophic failures. They're budget-friendly, straightforward fixes. Expect to address them proactively at purchase or shortly after. The automatic transmission in the 530i is generally reliable but requires regular fluid changes. This is non-negotiable on any used BMW purchase. The manual, where you can find one, is simpler and typically more durable long-term. On the market right now, clean E39 530i sedans are sitting in the $4,000 to $9,000 range depending on mileage and condition. What does $9,000 buy you in a new car? A base-level economy sedan that will feel like an economy sedan every single day you drive it. The E39 530i feels like none of those things. It was engineered to be a driver's car first, and that hasn't changed. What to look for? Cooling system service history, any signs of overheating, the condition of the DISA valve on the intake manifold, and rust on the undercarriage and rear floor pan. E39s in northern states can have corrosion issues on high-mileage examples. A complete maintenance log is worth more than a low asking price on this one. Number 4. The 2017 to 2018 BMW F3330i. This one surprises people. The F33 series has a split reputation, and for good reason. The early 328i and 320i models built between 2011 and 2015 came with the N24-cylinder engine, which had a documented timing chain issue. Stretched chains, broken plastic guides, rattling on cold starts. If you see an early F3328i with no timing chain service history, walk away. But in 2016, BMW made a significant change. They replaced the N20 with the B48 engine, a completely redesigned turbocharged 4-cylinder with an updated, reinforced timing chain architecture. The 328i badge became the 330i badge. Same basic car, substantially better engine. The B48 solved the N20's chronic problems. Timing chain failures that plagued the earlier engine are absent from B48 owner reports. The engine produces 248 horsepower and is rated at up to 34 miles per gallon highway in the 330i. With proper maintenance, and that means oil changes every 5,000 to 6,000 miles, not the extended intervals BMW's service computer suggests, the B48 commonly reaches 150,000 to 200,000 miles. The 2017 to 2018 F3330i also received an updated suspension with new front struts and revised electric power steering as part of a mid-generation refresh. The ZF 8-speed automatic, standard equipment, is one of the most durable gearboxes in the segment. Current used pricing on 2017 to 2018 330i sedans sits between roughly $14,000 and $23,000 depending on mileage and trim. You are buying a car that still feels modern, real driver feedback, genuine BMW dynamics, for roughly half what it cost new. The cars that cost $55,000 today will be priced similarly used in 7 years. The question is what will still be running. What TO look for? Confirm the B48 engine, not the N20. The 330i badge post-2016 is your clearest signal. Check for oil filter housing gasket seepage, which is an inexpensive fix on this engine. Avoid extended oil change intervals on any prior service history. This single factor determines long-term B48 durability more than almost anything else. Number 3. The 2008 to 2010 BMW E65 28i. The E65 series has a split reputation, and it's deserved, but only for certain variants. The 535i with the N54, the 545i, and 550i with the V8. Those cars brought real complexity with them. The 528i is not those cars. Starting in 2008, BMW dropped the N52 naturally aspirated inline-six into the 528i. The same engine family that makes the E93 28i reliable makes this car reliable. No turbocharger. Known weak points limited to the electric water pump, valve cover gasket, and oil filter housing gasket. All straightforward, affordable fixes. The N52 was BMW's last naturally aspirated inline-six before turbocharging became standard across the lineup, and long-term owners consistently report 180,000 to 220,000 miles with proper maintenance. What makes the E65 28i the value play is its size. This is a full-size executive sedan, more room, more presence, more car, at the same price as a compact. Clean examples with 80,000 to 100,000 miles are sitting between $7,000 and $12,000. The cabin still reads as upscale. The rear-wheel drive dynamics are genuine, and the engine has 15-plus years of real-world reliability data behind it. What TO look for? 2008 and newer to confirm the N52. Cooling system documentation is essential. This engine's longevity lives or dies on that service history. The E60 has some known electronic nuisances, window regulators, door locks. They're annoyances, not deal breakers, but use them to negotiate. And as always, walk away from any car where BMW's extended oil change intervals were followed without deviation. Number 2. The 2009 to 2011 BMW E93 28i. This is the sleeper on the list. Most buyers shopping E93 series assume they're all the same. They're not. The 2009 to 2011 E93 28i was still running the N52, the same naturally aspirated 3.0-liter inline-six from the E65 28i. 230 horsepower. No turbo. No timing chain fragility. The same engine that owners are reporting at 200,000 miles without a rebuild. Starting in 2012, BMW switched the 3 Series over to the turbocharged N24 cylinder. That engine had documented timing chain issues on early production runs, stretch chains, broken plastic guides, cold start rattles. It's not a car ender if it's been addressed, but it changes the ownership math considerably. The 2009 to 2011 E93 28i with the N52 is a different car entirely. Simpler architecture, lower repair costs, well understood by every independent BMW mechanic in the country. Parts are cheap and widely available. The engine rewards straightforward maintenance, oil changes every 5,000 miles, cooling system service, and nothing exotic. Current market pricing on clean examples sits between $8,000 and $14,000. For that money, you get BMW's most celebrated chassis era, precise steering, a balanced rear-wheel drive platform, and a driving experience that genuinely holds up. The fact that this car lacks the latest technology is not a weakness. Fewer electronic systems means fewer things to fail a decade into ownership. What TO look for? Confirm the N52 engine. 2009 through 2011 model years are your window. Cooling system service history is the primary checkpoint. Water pump, thermostat, and expansion tank are all proactive replacement candidates on high-mileage examples. Verify automatic transmission fluid history. Budget for control arm bushings and tie rods if not recently replaced. Standard wear items at this mileage, not red flags. Number 1. The 2016 to 2018 BMW F3340i. This is the one. And the fact that most people skip it for the 328i or 330i is one of the most consistent mistakes I see BMW buyers make. The 340i is powered by the B58 turbocharged 3.0-liter inline-six. The B58 is, by the consensus of BMW engineers, BMW enthusiasts, and independent mechanics who work on these cars daily, one of the best modern engines BMW has ever produced. It is not an incremental improvement over its predecessor. It is a fundamental redesign. Where the N55 it replaced had documented issues with charge pipes, oil separation, and variable valve timing reliability, the B58 addressed those problems at the design level. Carbon buildup from direct injection exists. This is inherent to the technology, not a BMW-specific flaw, but is manageable with walnut blasting at appropriate intervals. Otherwise, the known issues list for the B58 is short: valve cover gasket, timing chain tensioner, wear on some early examples, and the need for disciplined oil change intervals. With oil changes every 5,000 miles, the B58 has been documented exceeding 200,000 miles, and it currently sets the benchmark for modern BMW powertrain durability. The 340i produces 320 horsepower. It runs 0 to 60 in under 5 seconds in stock form. The ZF 8-speed automatic paired with it is among the most reliable transmissions in the industry. Here is where the value story becomes extraordinary. Used 2016 to 2018 F3340i sedans are currently priced between $18,000 and $26,000. That is a 320 horsepower executive sports sedan with the best modern turbocharged BMW engine available for roughly the same money as a new base trim economy car. Depreciation has created a window that will not stay open indefinitely. As word gets out about B58 reliability, prices on these cars will move. The 340i also benefits from the same F30 refresh that improved the 330i. Updated suspension, revised steering, and all the safety technology of a mid-2010s BMW. It is not an old car. It is a depreciated one. What to look for? This is a car that attracts enthusiast ownership, which can mean spirited driving and aggressive oil change intervals. Look for service history showing 5,000-mile oil changes, not 10,000 or the CBS suggested extended interval. Inspect for carbon buildup via borescope if the car has over 60,000 miles without a documented walnut blast. Check timing chain tensioner noise on cold starts. And like any BMW in this price range, a pre-purchase inspection by an independent BMW specialist is money well spent. Here's the pattern across all 5 of these cars. Every single one rewards the buyer who does their homework. The E39 530i with the M54. The E65 28i with the N52. The E90 328i with the N52. The F3330i with the B48. And at the top of the list, the F3340i with the B58. These are not lottery tickets. They are engineered machines that will return exactly what you put into them. The biggest mistake BMW buyers make isn't picking the wrong model. It's picking the right model with no service history, following BMW's extended oil change intervals, and wondering why their car is in the shop at 90,000 miles. The new car at the dealership for $55,000 has 4 years of warranty and then becomes your problem. These cars are already your problem, and that means they're already your opportunity. Before I go, if you had $15,000 right now and had to pick one BMW off this list that had to last you the next 10 years, which one are you choosing? Drop it in the comments. I read every one. Subscribe if you want more of this, and I'll see you in the next one.